These are what we need in today's video. Number one is ginger. Number two is lime. Number three is garlic. And the last one, which is very important, is honey. I use this to buy my own honey. This is not a right container for honey, but I use this to buy my own little honey for my own use and for myself. So the inner content is honey. How are you going to do this recipe? And today's recipe is called natural bomb to clean your immune system. Natural bomb to take care of your immune system. If you want to get any better results, maybe you want to get a remedy on how to last long in bed, or you want to get another remedy, any kind of remedy, for you to have an effective result on that remedy, you must make sure that your immune system is in order. If your immune system is not in order, you will never get your results. But once your immune system is perfect, once your immune system is clean, you must get your results as fast as possible. So let's proceed on today's video. But I have one special advice for each and every one of you. What is that advice? I am doing all this video just because I like natural remedy. Why do I like natural remedy? Natural remedy is the best. Why is it the best? It is the best because it will give you the exact thing you want and still give you extra benefits. But assuming that you are taking drug, that drug will only give you that particular thing. And drugs are somehow effective in the sense that some of them are causing cancer. But natural remedy will give you, in fact, natural remedy will serve as food. It will cure your diseases and it will still add more benefits in your body. So that is why I am doing all this video, to impart to people with the little knowledge I have over natural remedies, and to teach you people how to use all these God-given resources to treat ourselves and to get a better health. That is why I am doing this video. I am doing this video for the benefit of each and every one of us. That is why I am doing this video. So let's proceed. And this is my little advice for each and every one of you out there. But before I begin, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to people that subscribe to this channel and to people that never subscribe. I appreciate you all. After all, you are watching this video. May God bless you and remain blessed. Whatever you are here for, any reason why you are on this channel, I promise, by the grace of God Almighty, you must get it. I will never disappoint you. If you have anything, put it down in the comment section. I will reply and I will attend to you. So let's proceed. How are you going to use this to clean your immune system? It is very simple, but this recipe is powerful. This recipe is very efficient and effective. So if your immune system is not in order, with this recipe, I promise that within 14 good days, you must be healthy. Why do you need to clean your immune system? Maybe you might having some symptoms or signs, pimples, rashes, weakness, and inability to carry your daily activities. All these signs are showing you that your immune system is not in order. But with today's recipe, your immune system is going to be in order. I promise you. So how are you going to use this recipe? Number one, this honey must come last. I will tell you how to use this honey. It's very, very important. So number one, take this ginger, scrape it as usual, like I do teach in my previous videos. Scrape it and cut it into pieces so that it can be easy to blend. Very important. Now, this lime, don't put both the cover. I will suggest that you just crush it or squeeze it to get out the juice and still put it in the same container with this ginger. Then after that, scrape this garlic as well. Put it in a blender and blend this tray. Blend this tray perfectly. After blending, put it in a pot and boil it. But the amount of water you add depends the quantity that will serve you for that 2 good weeks. I want to make sure that you take this recipe for 2 good weeks so that you will never be disappointed. So after putting it in a pot, after blending, put it in a pot and add water, the quantity of water that will serve you for that 2 good weeks. So boil it for 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and bring it down to get cool. After that, filter it and throw it off the shelf. You have your recipe and you have the perfect recipe or natural bomb to clean up your immune system. Now, how are you going to take it? That is direction for use. Before you are going to take this recipe, make sure that you have taken your breakfast and dinner, because you are going to take this recipe morning and night. But I want to tell you, do not take this recipe with empty stomach, because only ginger and garlic, they can get hot in your stomach if you have, or if you did not eat your dinner or your breakfast. So make sure that something is in your stomach, something like food, heavy food is in your stomach, and take it. So how are you going to take it? Anytime you want to take it, that is when this honey will come. This honey is very important. It also helps to clean your immune system. It also helps to build up your immune system. It also helps to clean your heart, clean your blood vessels, and also help to nourish your skin. So this honey is very, very important. Do not miss this honey. So anytime you want to take this recipe, put it in a cup, maybe half cup. Don't take it full cup, just half cup, and add 1 teaspoonful of this honey. Don't take it too much, because honey has a natural sugar. Honey has a natural sugar. To avoid people with diabetes to contact more, or for that diabetes to increase more, just take 1 teaspoonful and add in that your juice. Take it morning and night. I promise you that you will get a better result for good 2 weeks. I am doing this recipe, or I am teaching you people this recipe, just because I love natural remedy and I know the good benefit of natural remedies. Natural remedy will cure your disease, and it will still cure or give you other good benefits. Adopt natural remedy to be the best you want. So do as I said. Grind these three together. After you have crushed the juice from this lime, put it in the same pot or in the same bowl with this, so that you blend them. After blending, cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. Bring it down and allow it to get cold. You can even save it in the refrigerator. Then anytime you want to take it, add just 1 teaspoonful of this honey and do it for complete 2 weeks. I don't want to say 1 week, but because you might not get what you expect. Natural remedy takes time to manifest or to work its job, or natural remedy takes time to take effect. So take it for good 2 weeks. I promise that you will get a better result. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have a comment, please put it down in the comment section. I promise that I will reply all your comments. I am good to reply comments. So if you have any question or anything, in fact, comment on this video, let me know what you think. And I believe in myself that this recipe will give you what you want. And I also believe that I am giving you people the best. Believe, and believe it for real. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to share this video to your friends and family, and to those you think that might need this video, as I am helping you people to know how to treat yourself with natural remedies. Please kindly share these videos to your friends and family, or recommend this channel to your friends so that they will know how to use natural remedy to cure any ailments or diseases. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you all. Bye.